Houston's biggest car show is pouring it up, saucing it up. LB Productions and Willie Wyatt Entertainment proudly presents the Crank It Up Old School Contest. It's got to be the part 2. Pour it up. Swing. Sunday, October 2nd from 3 until Fulton and Trippin' and then ride. The Hangout. B&H Ranch 14149. Player Street. Ain't nobody playing. With special guest DJ Tricky C, Hello Chopper, and Harvey Love. The World Houston Championship belt. Who's holding the slab? Your entertainment lineup is brought to you by Miss Nikki. A bad and bougie entertainment with feature artists like Young Al, Hello Chopper, and Harvey Love. Youngster with Flo, Milk the Crook, other special guests like Street Dreams Car Club, and so many more. We be leaning, y'all. Sponsors that will be on location like Mickey's Soul Food, Appetite Pleasing Kitchen and Catering, and T-Mobile. Pick up the phone while you driving. Drippin'. Get you some property. Rim Real Estate. Nita Bailey Realtor. Another sponsor. A+ Party Rentals. There will be a kid zone. Check them out. This will go down live on Street Flavor TV. It's time to ride deep in the slab. October 2nd from 3 until we twistin', y'all. Special shout out to King Shermo.